enjoy.
Larry's 55, David's 40 Ford pickup. My cousin David's 55 Chevy. My 59 sitting up here. Got my pretty girl sitting next to it, enjoying this car show. Then I'm gonna check out this other Chevy pickup. So I feel better about bringing mine up because I can see everybody up here ain't got the cleanest cars. Just bring your street rod up. Looking at some of these makes me glad I'm where I'm at on mine.
Yeah, my sons don't believe it. Yeah, right now I'm on a 57 way. The guy that we call him, the policy man came by, he drove it every day. He got it one day, he said, don't get rid of this car. I said, it's a year. I said, but
we got a good crowd up here. There'll be more coming in. Got Jerry Lee Lewis up there singing. That's crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I'm gonna check out the cars. Love it. Love seeing it turn out like this.
Well, might do a little gospel song.
See cars coming on in.
Wilbur's a good friend of mine. His birthday?
I'm glad to see David finally got this thing in the road going down it. Feels good seeing it going down the road a little bit, ain't it?